Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find for the mean absolute deviation or MAD for ungrouped data using Google Sheet. Let us take this example. First, transfer all the values to Google Sheet. I already have it here. And for the first formula, we need to find for the mean. So I will name it the mean. To find the mean, equal sign. There is a suggested formula here. You can actually click it. And the value of the mean is 90. So I have to change the color so that it won't mix with the value of x. Next step, get the difference of the absolute deviations of score and the mean. So the formula is we will subtract the score, which are 88, 89 up to 92, and the mean. To do that, equals, since we will get the absolute value, type absolute, and that is ABS. Click it, then subtract 88 by the mean 90. So click 88 minus, and then type your mean is 90, put 90, and enter. So you have 2. If you manually subtract, 88 minus 90 is negative 2, and its absolute value is positive 2. Then after that, you can actually drag this down. Make sure that the plus sign comes out, then drag it down, and there you go. Then the next step is to add those deviations together. So let's take this. To find the sum, equal sign, type sum, then there is a suggested formula here. Click it, and you got 10. 10 is the total sum of the average deviation. And lastly, use the formula. So we will divide the sum by n. Let's put the MAD here. The sum is 10, but what is n? N is the total number of scores. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 scores. So therefore, your n is equal to 9. So to find the MAD, equals, click the total, which is 10, divide by 9, equals. Then you can round your answers until 2 decimal places by decreasing the decimal places to 2. So your mean absolute deviation is 1.11. So I hope that you've learned something from me today. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and consider yourself subscribe and share this video to those people who need it. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Bye-bye.